Imagine logging into your community platform tomorrow and discovering that AI has already moderated every post, responded to every comment, and resolved every conflict without any human intervention whatsoever. Sounds like the end of community management careers, right? Here's the reality that nobody is talking about. While everyone fears AI replacing community managers, smart professionals are using these same AI tools to manage communities 10 times larger, increase engagement by 300%, and command salaries that seemed impossible in traditional community roles. Today, we are uncovering how AI is transforming community management and why your human connection becomes your most powerful competitive weapon. The problem: job displacement fears in community management. The community management world is facing an identity crisis right now. Professional managers are watching AI systems that can moderate thousands of posts simultaneously, detect toxic behavior instantly, and respond to member questions faster than any human possibly could. They are seeing automated engagement tools that create conversations and maintain activity levels without human oversight. They are worried that their relationship-building skills might become irrelevant overnight. This fear strikes deep because community management has always been about authentic human connection and emotional intelligence. The idea that algorithms could replace those genuine relationships feels like an attack on everything that makes communities thrive. Major platforms are already implementing AI moderation at massive scales. Discord, Reddit, and Facebook use automated systems for content filtering and user management. Some companies are experimenting with AI community hosts that engage members and facilitate discussions. The technology exists to automate many functions that community managers have built their careers around. But here's what the panic headlines are completely missing. One is creating unprecedented opportunities for community professionals who understand strategic implementation. Reality check. What's actually happening in community management? Let me share statistics that will completely change how you view this transformation. Community managers integrating AI tools are overseeing communities 5 to 8 times larger than traditional manual approaches allow. Professionals using AI for moderation and engagement are seeing member satisfaction scores increase by 45 to 65%. Experienced managers implementing AI-enhanced workflows are landing senior roles, managing enterprise communities with salaries 70% higher than traditional positions. One gaming community manager in Austin reported growing his community from 5,000 to 85,000 active members while reducing daily workload by 60%. The reality is, AI dominates at repetitive monitoring and basic response tasks. Spam detection, keyword filtering, FAQ responses, activity scheduling, member onboarding sequences. These are functions that most managers find tedious and time-consuming anyway. What AI cannot provide is emotional intelligence, conflict resolution, creative event planning, and authentic relationship building that creates loyal community bonds. Cannot read between the lines during member disputes, celebrate personal milestones meaningfully, or create those magical moments that transform casual users into devoted advocates. This creates what I call the human touch strategy. Professional community managers embracing this hybrid approach are not just surviving automation. Business value while requiring less manual oversight than ever before. Specific tools, the 5 key AI tools community managers use. Ready to discover the exact tools revolutionizing community management careers right now? These 5 AI platforms are transforming how professionals moderate, engage, and scale online communities. First, moderation and safety tools like Modbot and Community AI that automatically detect and handle inappropriate content. Second, engagement automation systems such as Buffer, Reply, and Sprout Social AI that maintain conversations and respond to common questions. Third, analytics and insights platforms like Discourse Analytics and Facebook Community Insights that track member behavior and community health. Fourth, content creation tools such as Copy AI and Jasper that generate posts, announcements, and event descriptions. Fifth, member management systems like Circle AI and Discord Carlbot that automate onboarding, role assignments, and user journey optimization. Now let me break down how each tool transforms your community management workflow and career potential. Moderation and safety, Modbot and Community AI. These platforms revolutionize content oversight. AceBot uses machine learning to identify spam, harassment, and policy violations across multiple platforms simultaneously while learning your community-specific standards. Community AI goes beyond basic filtering to detect context-sensitive issues like subtle bullying or off-topic discussions that could derail conversations. Managers using these tools report handling 80% more moderation tasks while maintaining higher community safety standards that members notice and appreciate. Engagement automation, Buffer, Reply, and Sprout Social AI, these systems maintain consistent community activity. Buffer Reply automatically responds to frequently asked questions, welcomes new members, and keeps discussions active during off hours. Sprout Social AI analyzes conversation patterns and suggests optimal times for posting announcements, hosting events, and encouraging member participation. Community professionals using these tools see 50 to 70% increases in daily engagement while spending less time on routine interactions. Analytics and insights, Discourse Analytics and Facebook Community Insights, these platforms decode member behavior patterns. Discourse Analytics identifies which topics generate the most engagement, tracks member retention rates, and predicts potential community issues before they escalate. Facebook Community Insights provides demographic analysis, content performance metrics, and growth optimization suggestions based on successful community patterns. Managers using these insights make data-driven decisions that improve member satisfaction by 40 to 60%. Content creation, Copy AI, and Jasper. These tools eliminate content creation bottlenecks. Copy AI generates engaging discussion prompts, event announcements, and community guidelines that match your established voice and tone. Jasper specializes in creating compelling welcome messages, celebration posts, and educational content that drives meaningful member interactions. This automation saves 4 to 6 hours weekly while maintaining consistent, high-quality content that keeps communities active and engaged. Member management, Circle AI, and Discord Carlbot. These systems optimize the member experience. Circle AI automatically assigns user roles based on activity levels, interests, and engagement patterns while creating personalized onboarding experiences. Discord Carlbot manages complex permission systems, automates event coordination, and creates custom member journeys that increase retention and participation. Communities using these tools see 35 to 50% higher member retention rates and smoother operational workflows. Action Plan. Where to learn and get certified. Here is exactly where to master these skills and your investment requirements. Coursera offers Community Management Professional Certification at $49 monthly. Their social media and digital marketing specialization covers AI integration and community scaling extensively. LinkedIn Learning provides community building and engagement courses at $29.99 monthly. This focuses on AI tool implementation, member psychology, and conflict resolution strategies. Udemy features specific courses like AI-enhanced community management at $89.99 and digital community strategy at $109.99. These emphasize practical application with real community examples. Most AI tools offer trial periods for testing effectiveness. Modbot provides 14 days free. Buffer Reply includes basic automation features at no cost. And Circle AI offers free accounts for smaller communities. Total investment ranges from $170 to $520 for comprehensive training. More successful communities. Start with moderation tools first, as automated safety systems immediately reduce your daily workload while improving community quality standards. Success story. Brian's transformation. Brian managed a struggling tech community for 3 years. Despite working 55 hours weekly, its community plateaued at 3,500 members, with declining engagement and constant moderation headaches that consumed most of his time. Everything changed when Brian discovered AI-enhanced community management. He started with Modbot for automated content filtering and Buffer Reply for maintaining consistent engagement during his off hours. Then he added Circle AI for member onboarding optimization and Copy AI for creating discussion prompts that actually generated meaningful conversations instead of one-word responses. The combination was transformative. Brian began focusing on relationship building and strategic planning while AI handled routine tasks automatically. His community culture improved dramatically because he could spend time mentoring active members instead of constantly fighting spam and trolls. His community grew to 28,000 active members in 8 months. More importantly, Brian now works 40 hours per week instead of 55. His community generates $45,000 monthly in premium memberships, and he was promoted to head of community with a $72,000 salary increase. Brian did not become obsolete, became the community leader his members had been waiting for. Call to action and transformation. The community management industry is experiencing its biggest shift in decades right now. You can resist these changes and risk being overwhelmed by professionals leveraging AI effectively. Or you can embrace them and become the community architect your members desperately need. The community managers who integrate AI strategically will not just survive the next decade, they will dominate it in ways that seemed impossible with manual approaches. They will be the ones building thriving digital societies, commanding premium salaries, and creating communities that members genuinely love being part of. Your human touch combined with AI efficiency creates something neither humans nor machines can achieve independently. This is your competitive advantage. This is your path to becoming not just a community manager, but a digital society superhero. The tools are available right now. Training is accessible and affordable. The only question is whether you will take action today or watch others transform their community careers while you struggle with outdated manual methods. Like and subscribe to KB Bluetree for more insightful content that helps you stay ahead of industry changes and maximize your community building potential. Let us know in the comments below what job we should cover next.